Hey guys, here we are going to discuss the above topic. And a warm welcome. Why Pandas is widely used in data science. Pandas is widely used in data science because of its efficiency on data handling, data exploration, data integration, missing data handling, time series analysis, performance and efficiency, flexibility. Pandas provides powerful data structures such as series data frames that allow for efficient handling and manipulation of structured data. It simplifies tasks like data cleaning, transformation, and aggregation, which are crucial in data preprocessing. Pandas makes it easy to explore and understand data. It offers functions for data profiling, summary statistics, data visualization, and descriptive analysis, enabling data scientists to gain insights and make informed decisions. Pandas seamlessly integrates with other libraries in the Python ecosystem, such as NumPy, Matplotlib, and scikit-learn. This integration allows for a cohesive workflow, leveraging the strengths of different libraries for tasks like numerical operations, plotting, and machine learning. Pandas provides robust mechanisms for handling missing data, such as methods for data imputation, removal of missing values, and interpolation. This is essential in real-world data sets, where missing values are common. Pandas has excellent support for time series data. It offers specialized data structures and functions for working with time-based data, making it a preferred choice for tasks like forecasting, trend analysis, and anomaly detection. Pandas is built on top of the efficient NumPy library. It leverages vectorized operations and optimized algorithms, resulting in faster execution compared to traditional Python loops or list-based operations. Pandas provides a wide range of data manipulation and analysis capabilities. It offers flexible indexing, slicing, grouping, merging, and reshaping of data, allowing data scientists to adapt and tailor their analysis to specific requirements. Overall, Pandas simplifies and streamlines various data-related tasks in data science, enabling data scientists to efficiently handle, analyze, and gain insights from structured data. Its versatility, ease of use, and integration with other Python libraries make it a popular choice among data scientists. Key points to remember. Thank you. Once again, we will meet here in another piece of information. Extend your support, hit the like button, share and subscribe to our channel.